Hey there YouTube subscribers, how you going? Just up in Wyoming, just hit this big sort of clouds and clouds of snow blowing across the road. Yeah, vision's dropped off a fair bit, but man, you can't see that far in front of you and people still buzzing by you at 75, 80 mile an hour. So hey, I'll give you a little look and see what you reckon. Huge big pools up through here, and I'm just under 80,000 pounds, just on 40 tons. So not far. What am I, 100 miles out of Cheyenne, where I'm going to pull up, do a bit of grocery shopping, grab a shower. Oh, it's cool. The higher you get up in the mountains, the more this snow blowing around the place drops away, but as soon as you get down on the flats again, it's back. But yeah, super cold. Got down to about minus 23 Celsius last night, and when I went to my pickup 260 miles away, I had to go there empty, and the road was just sheets of ice everywhere and the trucks dancing all over the place. So yeah, it wasn't a hell of a lot of fun, but yeah, just slow it down a bit, got there. And yeah, just on my way to a place called Neosho, Missouri. It's a nice 1,100 mile run, or what's that, 1,800 kilometers. Don't have to be there till Friday morning, so it's not too tight a schedule. And yeah, no, all is good. So just gonna sort of show you what it's like going through. These are very mild drifts, really. You know, when the snow drifts are really punching in, when the winds are in, you know, you can hardly see 20 feet in front of you. And we're up, you know, we're plenty of altitude here. I think we're at about 7,000 feet, so it's not so bad. But when we drop down, we're actually going up towards the continental divide at the moment, and then soon we'll be going down the other side of the continental divide. Sorry. So hopefully get my fuel miles up. But yeah, there you go. There's the what is the state again? Yeah, Wyoming, during a bit of a blizzard. So yeah, you take care. And like always, keep it groovy out there.